thank you for watching NatsO ZUMBA and welcome to Zumba Basic. We will break down the basic steps so that you can learn easily and have a confidence when you join the Zumba class. It's about 10 minutes with warm up and cool down, so it's good exercise as well. And this is super easy, so everyone can do it. And don't worry about making mistakes. The most important thing is to have a great time and keep moving. The dance step will come along as long as you keep practicing. Today we have beautiful ladies here. They will show you example and dance with you. You guys ready? Ready? Alright, today we will do Cumbia. Cumbia's birthplace is Colombia, and they have, it's kind of slow tempo, and they have sounds. I think they have some kind of instrument. And we do a lot of hip movement. I know, even though you're sitting on the chair, you can do this, right? Inside, you have skirt. They have skirt. Cumbia, they have beautiful skirt. They use that skirt. So imagine you have a skirt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, next step. It's forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when you go there, come forward a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when you go forward, add your shoulder, if you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, next step is machete. Machete is like a huge knife. You cut the sugarcane. That's the movement. So imagine you have a huge knife when you do that, right? So the leg wise, forward, side, a little bit back. Forward, side, just a little bit. Forward, side, back, side. Forward, side, back. Add your arm, whack. Side, back, side, whack. Side, back, side, whack. You gotta cut your sugar cane. Whoosh, yeah. The other side, whack. Chaka-chan, 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 chaka-chan. Forward, side, back, side, forward, side, back. Forward, side, back, side. You can go lower as a fitness variation if you can, right? If it's hard, just fine. Like this is fine. But if you can go lower, that's fitness variation. Okay. And the next one is sleepy leg. You go that way. When you go that way, this is the main weight, right? And this leg is following. She's lazy. So, she's following me. She's following me. So when you go that way, slide, kind of like a slide, sleepy, lazy leg following you. So, and when you go that way, try to move your hip up and then follow. Up, follow. Up, follow. Up, follow. And add your arm. Alright, I think that's all about it. Those are the main steps we use. Alright? Alright. One,